So this is me trying to give Ray his medicine. He hates it, and he's taking it out right now on the towel. And he's growling. It's medicine time, okay? I don't know if this will work. Okay, here's your first medicine. You swallow. No shaking. I know, good boy. I know. I know. You swallow it. I know, good boy. Good boy, Ray. I know, it's terrible. Yucky. Yucky, yucky. Yuck, yuck. Did you swallow that? Okay, here's another. Oh, I know, it's the worst. I'm gonna have to hold your head now. I know, I know. Terrible. I know, it's the worst. Okay, now did you swallow that? Did you swallow it? Okay, one more. I know, it's the worst. Swallow. Good boy. Good boy, Ray. Good boy. Good boy, Ray. Good boy. Okay, all done. Let's see you now. Let's see your full self. You ready to come out? Okay. There's my one-legged boy. Good job. Good job, Ray. Did you do good? You still kind of mad? Okay, I won't get too close. Give me kisses. Ray. Hi. Give me a kiss. Good boy. Okay, I'm gonna put you back now. Let me stop the tape.